I'm Gabriela and I'm a Senior Ophthalmic Technician here at Newmedica. In my current role, I carry out a range of diagnostic tests like OCT scans and visual acuity checks. I support the consultants with pre- and post-operative care, and I also help guide and mentor new technicians. It's a varied role, and I really enjoy the mix of technical work and patient interaction. I actually started my journey in eye care at Specsavers, working as a clinical coordinator. That role really sparked my interest in ophthalmology and patient care. From there, I moved into the NHS, where I worked as an ophthalmic technician and gained a lot more hands-on clinical experience. When I came across the opportunity at Newmedica, it felt like the perfect next step. I was really drawn to the focus on high-quality, patient-centered care and the chance to be part of something that's making a real difference in local communities. What I'm most looking forward to is welcoming our patients and making sure they feel comfortable and supported. I know that coming in for eye treatment can be a bit nerve-wracking, so being that friendly, reassuring face, it's something I really value.